Understanding blockchain, beyond cryptocurrency. Blockchain, it's a buzzword that's often tied to cryptocurrency. But did you know blockchain technology goes far beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum? In today's video, we're diving into the incredible ways blockchain is revolutionizing industries beyond finance. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. Before we explore its applications, let's quickly break down what blockchain is. Simply put, blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. The key feature is that these records, or blocks, are chained together and protected by cryptography. This creates an unchangeable record, making it nearly impossible to alter or tamper with. But why does this matter? What makes blockchain so revolutionary? Let's explore the impact it's having outside the world of cryptocurrency. First, let's talk about healthcare. The healthcare industry faces challenges with data management, privacy, and security. Blockchain offers solutions by providing a secure, transparent, and efficient way to store medical records. For example, with blockchain, patients can control their own medical records and decide who can access them. This ensures data privacy and empowers individuals. Additionally, blockchain could prevent the counterfeit drug trade by allowing patients and providers to verify the authenticity of pharmaceuticals through the supply chain. Speaking of supply chains, let's look at how blockchain is changing the way companies track goods. From food to electronics, blockchain technology is improving transparency, reducing fraud, and increasing efficiency. Blockchain allows companies to monitor the journey of products in real time, ensuring that items are sourced ethically and sustainably. Walmart, for instance, uses blockchain to track the origin of food products, making recalls faster and more efficient in case of contamination. Now, let's head back to finance, but not in the way you're thinking. While cryptocurrency gets the spotlight, blockchain's real impact in finance goes far beyond digital coins. Blockchain is transforming cross-border payments, enabling instant, secure transfers without the need for intermediaries like banks. This technology also allows for smart contracts, which automatically execute agreements when predefined conditions are met, removing the need for middlemen. Cut to an animated example of a smart contract, where a transaction is completed automatically when conditions are fulfilled. Many banks are already adopting blockchain to streamline processes, cut costs, and provide faster services to their customers. The potential for blockchain in the financial world is immense, and it's just getting started. Another powerful use of blockchain is in voting and governance. In traditional voting systems, fraud and tampering are constant concerns. But with blockchain, we could see a future where elections are secure, transparent, and completely auditable. In blockchain-based voting, once a vote is cast, it's added to the blockchain ledger, making it impossible to alter or delete. This provides a clear and transparent record of every vote, which could enhance democracy and voter trust worldwide. Blockchain is even making its way into the entertainment and intellectual property industries. Creators, whether musicians, artists, or writers, can use blockchain to protect their work from piracy and ensure they're paid fairly for their creations. Through blockchain, creators can tokenize their works, ensuring that every download, stream, or sale is tracked and compensated accordingly. This is a game changer for anyone in the creative industry. Of course, blockchain isn't without its challenges. Scalability, energy consumption, and regulatory concerns are ongoing hurdles that developers are working to overcome. But despite these challenges, the potential for blockchain to revolutionize industries is undeniable. As technology advances, we can expect blockchain to become a foundational element in more sectors, far beyond cryptocurrency. So there you have it, blockchain's reach goes well beyond digital currencies. From healthcare to supply chains, voting to entertainment, the possibilities for blockchain technology are nearly endless. Now that you know the broader applications of blockchain, how do you think it will impact the future? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.